Hi guys, welcome to Neema's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a very simple frosting which is perfect for all kinds of cakes and cupcakes. It's chocolate frosting. This frosting is prepared with just 2 ingredients and it comes out light, fluffy and yummy, which is perfect for decorating any kind of your dessert. So let's quickly see what you need for this. Here I've taken 100 grams of chocolate pieces in a bowl and using a double boiler, let's melt these chocolate pieces. Now I'm going to drop in 100 grams of butter. Here I'm using unsalted butter. And wait till the butter is melted completely. It's done. See how it looks. Now let's refrigerate it for 30 minutes. I've taken the mixture out from the refrigerator. See how it looks. Now I'm just going to clear the mixture from the sides of the bowl. And using a hand mixer, let's beat this until fluffy or change in color. Our frosting is done. If you don't have a hand mixer at home, you can use a whisk to beat. Let's now fill this into a piping bag and see how it looks. See, isn't it perfect? The simple and easy chocolate frosting goes well on cakes and cupcakes. So do try this lovely recipe. I'm sure you will like it. Do share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next session.